Welcome back. Goa seems to have been a preferred destination for tourists visiting the state during the last week of December. It is estimated that around 75,000 to 1 lakh tourists celebrated their New Year in the state. Of these, a majority of them are domestic tourists. In the first week of January, tourists from Russia are expected to come to Goa to celebrate their New Year on January 5th.
The tourism industry has estimated that around 75,000 to 1 lakh tourists visited the state during the last week of December. According to figures provided by the tourism department, around 316 flights landed in Goa till Christmas. Around 189 flights were from Russia, 68 from UK, 14 from Netherlands, 15 from Germany and 11 from Poland. Some flights also arrived from Denmark, Finland, Norway and Kazakhstan. Based on these figures, it is estimated that the charter flights touched 360 flights during the weekend. Some Eastern European sector flights rescheduled, which also added to this figure. According to the industry experts, the Sunburn Party also attracted a large number of tourists, but they also say that many domestic tourists spend their New Year in Goa, and most of them preferred to drive to Goa rather than travel by air. The reason being high cost of airfare and exorbitant fares charged by taxis. This explains the influx of many non-Goan registered vehicles. Most of these domestic tourists were from the metros of Bangalore, Pune, Delhi, Hyderabad. With the Russian New Year coming up on 5th January, more Russians are expected to travel to Goa. Hotel owners say that occupancy for rooms is good as there has been inquiries for hotel bookings. A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
Rinamool Congress is entering into Goa under the leadership of Dr Wilfred D Souza. Dr Wilfred D Souza held a press briefing to announce his new political innings. But surprisingly, he did not reveal whether he has accepted Trinamool's proposal or not. Dr Willy's press conference seemed more of a pressure tactic on the state Congress than an announcement of his renewed political career.
After travelling through Rajiv Congress and NCP, Dr Wilfred D Souza is moving towards another political party. Dr Willy has been appointed as the party chief of Trinamool Congress. Doctor has received a fax from Trinamool Congress on 1st January. However, the experienced Doctor has still not accepted the offer.
2 minutes.
2 minutes from now, 2 minutes, one month. 2 minutes from now?
From now?
Yeah.
How you are asking me how long it will take me? I'm a surgeon. When I cut open somebody's stomach and I find a difficulty, I don't wait to consult or to see books. I take an immediate decision. So I told you I'll accept it in 2 minutes. What is the difficulty? The proposal is in front of me. I have to think.
Dr. Willy has alleged the Congress of involvement in massive corruption.
Now, there are 157 Gram Sabhas out of 180 which have said that the regional plan should be scrapped. So they are not corrupt.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
The crime detection rate of Vasco Police Subdivision in the last year has dropped down by 8%. As per the crime records released by Vasco Subdivision, the detection rate in the year 2011 is 51.8%, whereas in 2010 it was 58.85%. The detection rate of cases like house theft, auto theft and cheating have dropped.
What you can notice from this crime record of both the years 2010 and 2011 is that lesser crimes have been registered in last year compared to year before last. Burglary in 2011, 25, in 2010, 44. House theft, 23 and 11. Auto theft, 45 and 52. Other theft, 31 and 47. Hertz, 17 and 18. Now see this chart of detection rate. Detection rate in percent. Burglary in 2011 was 36% and 2010 54%. House theft 8% and 11%. Auto theft 26% and 17%. Other theft 16% and 25%. Hertz 58% and 100%. Now you can notice that in spite of decrease in crimes during last year, the detection rate has comparatively gone down. Sources in the Vasco Police Subdivision allege interference from seniors in an investigation of cases booked against the influential people from political circle. Our reporter Surendra Madkaikar and Basuri Desai.
Children are angels in human lives. They are always special. There are some children who are living with disabilities. There is a need to accept these children in society. TIES is working for this cause. They held an inclusion day for these children. It was definitely special.
There were games, prizes, excitement and lots of fun at the Inclusion Day held at Holy Cross High School at Seoli. It is an initiative by Parental Body TIES towards inclusion everywhere in society. This is their annual event.
For children with disabilities in different schools, and they have also once a year organized what is called Inclusion Day. On Inclusion Day, all the children of the resource rooms come together and they are paired with regular children for a morning of fun and activities. This helps to spread awareness of the world of disabilities and ensures that our students with special needs are accepted everywhere.
Our reporter from Mapsa, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.